Hello everyone, welcome back to another HTML and CSS tutorial. In today's video, we are going to build a simple and modern login form using only HTML and CSS. This project is perfect for beginners because you will learn how to create forms, use input fields, labels and buttons, and style everything with CSS. So let's start coding. Now I am creating main container called login box. This container will hold all the login form elements. Here I am adding heading login. Heading to show the title of the form. Now I am adding the email label. Label is email. Now I am adding input field. Input type is email. Placeholder is enter your email. Email. The placeholder gives user a hint about what they should enter. Password field, label, password, input field. The password type hide the enter character for better security. Here I am adding button login. This button will allow user to submit their login details. Margin 0, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, font family, sans serif. Now I am styling body, display flex, justify content center, align items, center, height 100 VH. I am removing the default margin and padding. Now using display flexbox. Now I am styling login box. Understand this. Here I have added padding for spacing, rounded corners, and a soft shadow for a modern look. I am styling login box heading 2. Here I am centering the heading and adding some space below it, 20 pixels. Now I am styling label. Display block, place each label on its own line. Margin bottom, 5 pixels. Margin top, 50 pixels. I have added some spacing for better readability. Now I'm styling the input field. Understand? I have made them full width, added padding and rounded the corners. The border gives the input a clean appearance. Now I'm styling the login button. Understand this button styling. I have made it full width, added a blue background, white text, and rounded corners. Cursor pointer. Change the mouse pointer when user hover over the button. Now I'm adding hover effect. Button, hover, background, red. When the mouse moves over the button, the background becomes darker, making it feel more interactive. Save, open with live server and see output. So guys, our login form is now complete. In this project, we learn HTML form structure, label and input fields, password input, button design, Flexbox centering, CSS styling, hover effects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HTML and CSS projects. Thank you